Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and account types because integration requires admin consent and a supported Monday. Com plan. Once confirmed, log into Outlook 365 with the account you'll connect and keep credentials in hand. Then open Monday. Go straight to the Integrations Center and select the Outlook calendar integration recipe that matches your workflow. Make sure to choose whether you want two-way sync or one-way mapping. This choice determines how conflicts are handled later. Now connect Outlook through the OAuth flow and grant the requested calendar scopes, read, write, and events so Monday. Can create and update items. Once authorized, map Outlook fields to Monday. Columns, event title to name, start/end to date column, and attendees to people column because correct mapping prevents data loss. Next, set sync direction and filters. Choose one-way if calendar remains source or two-way for bidirectional updates, and define rules for creating new board items from events. Finish by running an initial sync with a simple test event so you can verify fields, time zones, and attendee mapping. Once done, inspect how recurring events behave and adjust recurrence handling or time zone settings to avoid offsets. If something goes wrong, reauthorize the integration token first, because expired tokens are the most common issue. Make sure admin permissions remain intact and review integration logs for errors. Then rerun the sync after fixes to confirm successful completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.